I've just bought the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses, and I've got the Wayfarer Gen 2 model, the one with the transition lens, so it can be clear inside, and then it shades outside, so transitions. So I want to do a quick unboxing video. Here we go. So the packaging, it looks absolutely amazing, actually. Look at that. Really sleek. Reminds me of Apple-esque packaging. Very minimalist. So let's dive in. Okay. It's got a little strip here. And take it off. Alright. Let's have a look. Inside. Oh, okay. So the sides come off. Wow. That is impressive. That is gorgeous. Look at that. Right, let's open it. So this is the charging case. So why is it gone red? I'm not sure. I guess it's charged. Super compact. Right, let's open them up. Look at that. They look a bit like reading glasses. What's reading glasses? So this is the standard size. So you can get like a larger one. So the reason I've bought it is primarily I was looking at using it for content creation, but it does have loads of other features. And I've got it on a cracking deal. So it is the top spec model, but I got it on EE in the UK. So it's £46 upfront cost, and then you pay about £11 a month interest free. So I thought, you know what, on that deal, I'd go for it. So it's got the Ray-Ban logo there. They are incredibly light. So I think they're supposed to weigh about 60 grams or so. So it's super sleek. And amazing, right? I'm just going to compare it to my regular. So these are just standard shades. So you can see that it is bigger, but it's barely a difference. I think when you're wearing it, you're not going to notice any of that. However, the amount of tech that is crammed in is incredible for the lightweight. Okay, let's crack on. So that's the case. That looks awesome. That's a really premium quality. There's a USB-C connection there. Leather case. Is it real? Is it fake? I'm not too sure actually, but that looks brilliant. Right, what else have we got? Scan to get started. Right. Oh, that's really cool. Let's get started. Pack. I guess this is a quick start guide. How to get started. Pull the tab. Charging. Battery levels. Okay. Cool. Oh, it's quite. Power switch, capture button, camera, touchpad. There's a touchpad. Speakers. Okay, look at that. Again, the packaging. Just absolutely gorgeous. Safety warranty. Description. Information. Let's put that aside and I've managed to wedge this inside. And let's have a look. That's it. There's nothing else inside that I can see. Nope. That's a little microfiber cloth with the Ray-Ban Meta logo on there. Awesome. Fantastic. Right, let's get this up. Let's bring these bad boys back. So it doesn't come with a USB-C cable. However, I've got loads of cables at home anyway. So how did they charge? So it's got like charging contact points there, and then that neatly slots into there, and then it's charging. Look at that, brilliant. Just gonna bring them out. Let's show it on another camera. Look at that. I'm gonna try them on. Oh, I can hear it. A little jingle's come on. This is exciting. Right, it told me the battery, and then a little jingle came on.